Oh, hello, happy buyers and sellers. This is Dave Grime from the Grime team here to showcase this beautiful custom home in Mono. Welcome to 875-113 5th Line. Now, let's not waste any time and get down to the top 5 reasons why this home is right for you. Reason number 5. If you're looking for peace and tranquility, look no further. 875-113 5th Line Mono is located on a super quiet dead-end road only 1 kilometer north of Mono Center Road. This private home is tucked away within mature, towering trees. Fine dining and spirits at Mono Cliffs is minutes away. And for the outdoor enthusiast, Mono Cliffs Provincial Park and the Bruce Trail are just up the road for biking and hiking. Reason number 4. Now, I like spending most of my time outside, and entertaining family and friends is a great way to showcase the outdoors on this private lot. The large back deck has plenty of space for outdoor dining and boasts stunning views of the forest ravine. And for those rainy days, the cozy screened-in Muskoka room is great for dining, reading a book, or enjoying the sounds and serenity of the nighttime without the bugs. Now let's go inside and check out the house. Reason number 3. Now, as soon as you enter the home, you'll notice how light and bright this home is. The large windows in every room allow private treed views and an abundance of light. This custom home was built in 2010, offering years of maintenance-free living and up-to-date systems like geothermal heating for very low utility costs, as well as an HRV system for clean, fresh air. Upstairs features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and downstairs features an additional 2 bedrooms, a 3-piece bath, and a large room which is acting as a studio. Reason number 2. The master bedroom at the north end of the house is a great place to retreat at the end of the day. Again, the large windows take full advantage of the natural surroundings. It boasts hardwood floors, a vaulted ceiling, and a double closet. And the stunning master ensuite with a stand-up glassed-in shower, a huge vanity with stylish double sinks. And reason number 1. Now, we haven't even taken a look at the hub of the house, and that's this amazing open-concept great room. The cozy living area with an efficient airtight wood stove is open to the dining area with plenty of room for large dinner gatherings. Pot lights, huge windows, and the soaring vaulted ceiling add to the airiness of this awesome room. The screened-in Muskoka room I mentioned before is off the dining area, and one cannot help but notice the custom Scabolini kitchen. The large center island features granite counters, pot drawers, and built-in microwave. The rest of the kitchen boasts Caesarstone counters, a stainless steel gas range, and plenty more well-thought-out cupboard space. Where's the fridge, you ask? Check out this cool hidden custom fridge and freezer combo. Well, thanks for watching our video tour of this custom home in Mono. Be sure to check out more information and photos at www.thegrimeteam.com or our Instagram or Facebook page. Until next time, Dave Grime signing off. I'm heading to Mono Cliffs Inn for lunch.